Hi everyone, this is Jan,
This is Siri.
and we would like to show you one of the features that is most beloved among our customers, which is Outlook add-in. So let's be honest, when you work in IT support and supporting your employees, you spend a lot of time in your service desk portal, but you also spend a lot of your days in Outlook because one, users are always trying to contact directly. That's just the reality of it. You need to plan meetings and remote sessions from Outlook. And also you get a lot of mail that is not directly related to IT support, but to other projects and things that you are involved in. But this kind of leads to certain problems. A lot of the communication might get lost when you get those direct messages from your users. There might be some delay in response, and generally it sort of leads to you switching between apps constantly, losing focus, losing time, and getting distracted from your work. So this sort of leads to a tension between employees and IT support because for them, they are looking for ways how to contact you in the most convenient and easiest way possible. But you, on the other way, want to get information, in your service desk, fully tracked for audit purposes, and having the full history and in a structured manner. So we have a solution for this problem. That's our Outlook add-in, and the approach that we generally suggest is not to fight your users, not to fight the direct emails, but just work smart around it and be where your users are. And Ire will actually show you how it looks in practice and how Outlook add-in helps you with this problem.
Okay, so this is my Outlook, and you can see directly on the right side, this is the Outlook add-in. It's actually ALVAO Outlook add-in. I can open it or display it and hide it if I like. Also, there is some intelligent hiding based on the selected item. So this is everything I can do. And let's say the first example I want to show you is that like new email arrived to my inbox, and it is the easiest way because it actually already has the ID of a ticket here. So this is a notification that the ticket was submitted. I'm responsible for its solution. So just by clicking on that email on the right side, I can see the full audit trail of that specific ticket, and I have all the actions with the ticket are possible directly here. So this is all really the full features are here. And if necessary, I can also open it in a new browser window when it's bigger, and if I can continue here if I like. So yeah, that's the easiest way when a ticket really arrives to your inbox actually, or that's how we.
So this sort of gives you that full context for the messages you get into your mailbox. But what happens when the employees contact you directly and they don't attach that ticket ID to the ticket, to the email?
Yeah, that's definitely another option. This is really happening a lot. When users like you, they will send it to you directly. So let's have this email as an example. So when I select this email, you can see there is no ticket ID yet here. So when I select this email, so based on the sender, it shows me every tickets where there was any communication with the sender, not necessarily with me, but with any team member. So I have option here to just open this ticket and maybe save it to the audit trail like this.
Mm-hmm. So just to add to this, when you have a different solution, usually the way it works is when an email arrives into your mailbox and you want to load it into service desk, you either forward it to the help desk at yourcompany.com, and then it gets uploaded into the service desk, but there's a wrong sender because then you are the one who's sending it, and it has some implications. For instance, the SLA doesn't get interrupted, or these things. And then the other option is to actually rewrite it, but then it's manual work and you are losing that HTML formatting and rich text. So let's see how it works in Outlook.
Yeah, no one likes losing flow or focus. So for us, this is just confirming that I just confirmed that I want to load it here. So we'll just click yes here, and really easily, so the ticket is refreshed. I can see the email looks exactly like in Outlook with all the formatting. with the audit trail is here, timestamp is here. And maybe it's not even me who's responsible for this ticket, so I can just forget this email because it's already, the solvers have been notified about it, and I can just, remove my email from the inbox and go to the next one.
So this is like for the cases when they send you an email that's related to some of the existing tickets. So the Outlook Add-in gives you an option to find the ticket, load it in. What about when they send you, and I know they shouldn't do it, but they send you a message with a new incident or new request directly into your mailbox, but it's supposed to be a new ticket raised within the portal. How do you proceed?
Yeah, this happens a lot as well, let's be honest. So I will just show you on the same email actually. So the next option is, and I can access it like directly from here, create a new request out of it, or also like from the right click here. So let's say I want to create new ticket out of this. So I can just change the requester here, for example. I will save it to different service because it's specific request model or incident model or change model I want to use. So I want to trigger different workflow and I want to notify different solver group. So for this case, let's say someone shared a data set with me, but I know I just want to put it back on track because they are actually asking for a new report. So I just want to follow it, the right workflow. So I will just create new ticket here. I can also change the request name. I will not do it. I will just click OK. Ticket is created. The workflow is here for the specific workflow that is assigned here, and I can just follow up with different things in my inbox.
And again, the full HTML formatting is there and everything. All right. Is there any way where Outlook Add-in helps you with scheduling your meetings and generally managing your calendar as well?
Yeah, sure. Let's switch to the calendar view, as I use it a lot actually. So let's see like how my calendar looks like. So there is a lot of events, and you can see that all of them actually have a ticket ID already in its name. So let's see, there is a meeting coming up, like for example this one, and I just want to be ready for it. So I just don't want to copy any ID, click on any links so that I can read what was happening there. So I can just click on the event here in my calendar, and the full history of the ticket is actually loaded here, and I can see it, the full context. So yeah, that's just the same, like selecting email in my inbox, seeing the context here.
To be honest, sorry. To be honest, I personally love this feature because sometimes before the meeting, you just quickly want to get up to speed, and reading through the mail threads is not a convenient way how to do it. So accessing the ticket information straight away from the calendar is just perfect.
Yeah, and also let's be honest that meetings actually follow up. So not every time you are able to resolve everything. So when you need to plan a follow-up meeting, you can just select easily like specific time slot in your calendar, select which ticket you want to plan there, and I can just easily directly from Outlook Add-in select that I want to plan a new meeting here. So the standard Outlook window opens. I want to invite Veronica, maybe others, send it, and it's here like already planned to this exact time slot I selected. So this is personally, I love this feature, and not only this one. I rarely really exit my Microsoft Outlook, and still I'm up track in ALVAO Service Desk.
All right, thank you, Yuri. So here's just a quick summary what Outlook Add-in brings you. So you just allow your employees, your users, to use the channel they prefer. For you, you save some time and effort, switch between apps, getting distracted. You can actually do your work directly from Outlook, and you have the full power of Service Desk at hand all the time. You're not losing that context. So that's it from us. If you are interested to learn more, check the description in the comments. or feel free to contact us directly, as per the information on the screen. And definitely stay tuned for some of the future video that will show some more features of ALVAO. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.